Okay, pa. Start பண்ணுங்க.
Self-confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, magic starts happening. Glad welcome. It's a glad welcome we bring you this afternoon, filled with desires, hope, and dreams. Now I would like to invite Mr. K. Ganesh, Assistant Professor of EEE Department, to deliver the welcome address.
Very good afternoon to everybody gathered here. It's a nice opportunity for me to welcome you all for this wonderful occasion. I would like to welcome our beloved principal sir, Dr. C. Maleshwaram sir, and our head of the department, other faculty members, and dear students to organize this wonderful program, inauguration of Electroblitz. I welcome you all. Okay, welcome you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A positive attitude may not solve all your problems, but it will annoy enough people to make it worth the effort. Now I would like to call upon Mr. M. Arivalagan, sir, HOD of EEE Department, to declare the office bearers of Electroblitz.
Thank you, students. Once again, I welcome you all for this inauguration of Association to Department of Electronics, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electroblitz Association for the academic year 2020 and 2021. It is a pleasure to welcome you all, and on behalf of our institution and our department, let me introduce the office bearers of our Electroblitz Association. First, I would like to introduce the president of this association, Ms. K. Nandini, final year EEE, will serve as the president of this association for this academic year, current academic year. Congratulations, Nandini. Let me introduce the vice president of this. She will be serving as congratulations, Pavitra. And then it's a pleasure to introduce the secretary of our association, Mr. M. Pandimani of third year EEE. He will be serving as the secretary of our association for this academic year 2020-21. And for this year we have two joint secretaries. First one, Ms. M. Aishwarya Lakshmi of second year EEE. She will be serving as the joint secretary of the secretary from will be serving as the one more joint secretary, additional joint secretary of Electroblitz Association for this academic year. I wish the association a grand success. We have a lot to do as all our students to carry out many more activities. Thank you, students. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Great leaders don't set out to be a leader. They set out to make a difference. It's never about the role, always about the goal. Now I would like to welcome such a leading personality, Dr. C. Madhulai Sundaram, sir, Principal of NSET, to give his inspiring inaugural address to the gathering. Please, sir.
Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon, very good afternoon. So I'm very happy to be here to inaugurate the Association of Electrical and Electronics Engineering Students, Electroblitz. It's a wonderful occasion. Usually it will happen in Sir C.V. Raman Auditorium in a grand manner. You used to take snacks and you all celebrate in a grand manner. But this time it was not happen due to the COVID-19. We are unable to meet in person. So all the other departments already inaugurated except mechanical. So this is the time to inaugurate the EEE. Actually, some few years back, due to the less strength, both the electrical and electronic engineering, electronics and communication engineering, they are combined and they celebrate the inauguration. But it was happened for separate association and it is continuously happening. So you all know the association, the purpose of association, the purpose of students association, you all know, to develop yourself, Normally, the management they won't permit to the students association, but it's by for the good hope we permitted the management permitted to inaugurate and execute the students association in our campus. The purpose of association was, you all know, every meeting I used to tell, develop yourself. Or to develop yourself, you have to use the association forum. After completing your BE, you have to work in a group. You have to work and other things. The forum and this association forum, you establish a lot of function, lot of activities you have to do. I strongly insist, the president of Electrogrids, Nandini, and the vice president Pavitra, and secretary Mr. Pandimani, and the joint secretaries Aishwarya Lakshmi and Sundara Mahalingam. You initiate a lot of activities. In normal days itself, I used to insist, do a lot of activities. I always insist the office bearers do a lot of activities, and I will do review after a year. These things I will always insist, but this time it is not possible to meet, and we are doing the inauguration in the online mode. Through online mode itself, we can do a lot of activities. So I strongly insist the office bearers to some innovative activities. I'm happy to inform the Department of Electrical Engineering, the first year students, this time the admitted students through counseling, it was increased. It was, I'm so happy. The awareness for the EEE department was reached the people of any district, and a lot of people opted EEE in our college. I congratulate the department of EEE once again. And let me thank our secretary, joint secretary, and the HOD, and the organizing committee who are doing this association inauguration in a grand manner. I congratulate. And I also congratulate the office bearers once again. And I want to insist a few things regarding your examination. So you all know the examination was announced that odd semester of 2021, the November 2020 exam was announced, and it is going to happen in first week of December. So the timetable and other things, it will reach you soon. Regarding the execution of exam, you all know the final semester, 8th semester exam for 2020 passed out batch was happened through online. They all attended online 1 hour exam was happened, and the result was also published. During the result announcement, we got a lot of WXH1 withheld one status. Withheld one status means a lot of malpractice was found out through that online mode. So university is instructing to follow whatever the instruction is received from university, how to follow. So they are insisting to sit in an ideal place and ensure the online connectivity in a proper manner, ensure the camera is in on mode. You have to sit in 1 hour, you have to sit in an ideal mode without any disturbance. If any disturbance arises, the system is also finding finding automatically, and it is warning continuously. So in every person attending the online exam, you are monitored by us in a very strict manner. So kindly, I request all the students to ensure in proper internet connectivity and proper place for executing your exams. So this is my request, and prepare well for exams. I think you all received your examination related informations, and prepare well for examinations. And I congratulate regarding association. Again, I congratulate the office bearers, newly elected office bearers. Do some innovative activities. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. Thank you for inviting me to inaugurate the association. I once again thank you, the EEE department. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And we believe that our actions will follow your words in the future and achieve high in the world of engineers. If you have to choose between being kind and being right, choose being kind, and you will always be right. I invite Ms. K. Nandini, the president of ElectroBlitz, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon to all. First of all, I would like to thank our college management, secretary, joint secretary, principal, vice principal, head of department, faculty members, and beloved students to select me as a president. Our department association, ElectroBlitz, with the motto to make the student best in analytical ability, technical skills, and engineering concept. Those are necessary to renovate the concept into a reliable, commercial, and safe product. To develop the safe in core area of electrical and electronic engineering in order to make them suitable for working in core industries, research establishment, and also as entrepreneurs. To enhance the knowledge of the students in multidisciplinary area with good scientific and engineering scope to understand, examine, and design products. To prepare the students, understand problems relevant to the society, and provide ethical engineering solutions. The department also encouraged the students to participate in various technical symposium, workshops, internship, and industrial design. The development is well equipped. The department is well equipped to train electrical graduates in order to advance their theoretical knowledge and sound practices of the professions. They are encouraged to undertake projects placed in various companies, rest of them pursuing higher studies. As the president of our department, I assure that in this academic year, all my batchmates will get placed in a well-known concern and also in both health, and also I will guide our juniors in all aspects in both technical and non-technical ways for the upliftment of our department. Once again, and thank all for being me as a president.
Thank you. Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. I invite Ms. C. Pavitra, the Vice President of ElectroBlitz, to deliver our association activities performed during the academic year 2019-2020.
Bye, your voice is muted, bye. Kindly unmute your audio. Yes, thank you.
Good afternoon, all. Time to gratitude our management, vice principal, and our head of the department and faculty, director, the vice president. Now we would like to share the association academic year 2019 and 2020. Our department conduct association inauguration of 31 July 2019. We visited here at high power station 31 August 2000. Practical knowledge at power generation. Our department conducted a workshop power supply product design on 26 and 27 September, and students were actively participating in the workshop. Our 2020 batch students underground project study shared with Sri Engineering College. Our college, our students undergone the industrial training of TNEB and Sri Engineering College. Coming to placement, the Shari Hassan got placed as technology, and Ram Kumar get placed at the Sri Engineering. We have here undergone as a project work. 342 year as a cyber technology. Thank you for here.
Thank you. Don't wait until you reach your goal to be proud of yourself. Be proud of every step you take. Now I would like to call upon the Secretary, Mr. M. Pandimani of ElectroBlitz from third year to deliver the upcoming events of ElectroBlitz.
Afternoon. I would like to thank our management and principal, vice principal, and our HOD and other faculties members for providing me an opportunity to work as a secretary for ElectroBlitz for this academic year. I make a summary on our department on ongoing and upcoming events in the current academic year. On July 17th, our department conducted a introduction to substation and distribution system We have great success in this with more than 100 external participants. On September 17th, we conducted a awareness program on Tamil Nadu student innovation, in which many involves ideas were sparked among the students. On September 19th, awareness program of entrepreneurship development schemes are conducted, and the route to become an entrepreneur briefly discussed. And another webinar on the topic of opportunities to automobile industries for electrical engineers. It creates a new dimensional of job opportunities to visualize from this. For upcoming days, we are planning to make a workshop and hands-on training on a simulation software and MATLAB and ELAB and other various technical works. Due to the COVID pandemic, we are not physically present with academic classes. On behalf of students, I will ensure that maximum students involved to the ongoing academic classes. We are ready for the Anna University exam. We are sure we will give maximum result of these exams. If the situations allows, we are ready to attend the implant training and industrial training. Our final year students are ready to go move to a next step for their placements and their higher studies. Once again, on behalf of students, I assure that electrobits will be made right to our university. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I would like to invite Joint Secretary Mr. Sundara Mahalingam to deliver the pledge.
Good afternoon to all. I would like to thank our management, principal, HOD and faculty members of our department for choosing me as the Joint Secretary. On behalf of our students, I take this opportunity to deliver the pledge. As a NSCTN and as professional engineer, I dedicate to my professional knowledge and skill to the advancement and betterment of ourselves, human welfare. I pledge to participate in none but honest enterprises, to live and work according to the laws of men and highest standards of professional conduct. I vow to practice my profession with my conscience and dignity. I will not permit consideration of nationality, politics, or material advancement to intervene between my work and this duty to present and future generation. To place survive before profit, to honor the standing of the profession before personal advantage and the public welfare above all other considerations. I take the oath solemnly, freely and upon the honor. I understand the duties and roles of the association and conduct the functions with the needed training for the government. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I would like to call upon Joint Secretary Ms. Aishwarya Lakshmi to deliver the vote of thanks.
A warm, graceful afternoon to one and all. It's my so grateful to have been selected as Joint Secretary. I look forward to all of the excitement and the challenges that lie ahead. Thank you for the opportunities. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks, most valuable management below Secretary S. Kasi Professor, Honorable Joint Secretary Mr. A. Rajkumar Sir, leader of our college, Dr. C. Madhuri Sundaram Sir. Next, I must express a thanks to Vice Principal, Placement Officer, and express my sincere thanks to the head of the Department of EEE, Mr. M. Arivalagan Sir, and the other HODs of various department faculty members and students. Once again, thank to one and all for this successful section.
You can. Okay, thank you.